Hey JDT, this is Bernard. Just trying to teach you guys how to contribute to this Opportunities Repo. So the current stand, you can see this repo if you go to github.com/bmulao/opportunity. Once you find this repo and you want to make a contribution, first thing you want to do is make sure you have a GitHub account. Once you have created a GitHub account here on this page, you're going to want to go to fork. So if you see the top right corner, you see fork. And once you make a fork, basically it will make a copy of this repo to your page. Gonna take a minute. Okay, great. So once it's on here, you're gonna see this little pencil icon. This will allow you to edit and basically make the changes that you want to make. So basically, if you look at the repo, you'll notice this is a bunch of table rows. This is just a bunch of HTML. If you're not familiar with how to work with tables on HTML, this would be a great place to start. Essentially, you have a table row and then you have a table header. So the best way you can start making a contribution, just go ahead and copy the last one and just paste it, and this should be a great place to basically take out the things that you don't need, and then make a replacement here there. So the convention is just essentially the first header which is going to be a type. So what is this? So the example I'm going to use for now is the apprenticeship program by Airbnb. This is specifically for people that don't have a computer science degree and want to get into software engineering. It might not be that relevant for people in college right now, but it's still a great example to use. So as you can see, this is an apprenticeship, and the deadline is February 28th. And then the other thing we should note is that this is 6 months long and paid. Okay. So if you go here, the first thing is what type is it? This is an apprenticeship. Hope I remember how to spell apprenticeship. And then the deadline we said is February 28th. 28. I might have misspelled February. I don't care right now. And this is paid 6 months, and for a non-CS degree, uh, non-CS degree, and what else? No prior experience, and no prior experience. And we can go ahead and take this link, paste it, and then once you're done, you can go ahead and make a commit. And once you make that commit, you notice that you have made a contribution, but it's not on my main page. So if you go to my main page, GitHub.com Bernard, Mulao, and Opportunity, you'll notice this is your contribution is not seen on the main contribution. To make it official, we're going to need to make a pull request. So if we go back to the code, you should be able to make a pull request. Let me try to remember how. Should be pull request and then new pull request. Yeah. And then you can just go ahead and create a pull request. A pull request is essentially just making your changes an official change on the main repo. You'll notice this is your new contribution. You added a bunch of lines of code, and I can see it. And then I'm like, okay, you can create that pull request. Great, so it has no conflict. Now it's my turn to approve the pull request. So if I go back to my home page, this is where I can see a pull request, and then I can see your changes. Oh, there it is. And then I can take a look at the changes that's been made, file changes. And then I'm like, okay, great, this is fine. Let's go ahead and merge the pull request. Confirm. And if we go back to the main page, there it is. There's your contribution. And everyone else can basically see the new changes that's been made. Great. Hope that helps, guys.